is a review on a popular line probiotic from Skin1004. Skin1004 Madagascar Centella Probio-Cica Bakuchiol eye cream. It has a nice box, details in Hangul and English language. It comes in a tube and has a plastic applicator head. It is paraben-free, sulfate-free, alcohol-free, elegant-free, silicone-free, fragrance-free, and also reef-safe. It has centella extract and bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is a plant-based antioxidant that is gentle than retinol and is good for anti-aging. There is also centella and also ceramic, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, peptides. The rest of the ingredients are for hydration, emulsifier, texture, and also preservative. It is opaque, soft cream that goes on transparent without residue. There's no particular scent. It doesn't pile under makeup. I find it gentle, hydrating, helps to brighten the area and firm up the skin. One can use the applicator head to massage the eyes area, but be gentle. Overall, I find it's a really good, affordable, gentle, hydrating, brightening, and firm eye cream. For more information, please check out the description box. See you in my other videos.